Hey, this is Lee. I thought I'd record a quick video on my current launch, give you an update on what I've built so far and how the build is going. So I'm building a podcast asset generator, the idea being that anyone can take a thought, an idea, and turn that into podcast assets, audio, script, artwork, that kind of thing. I want to show you what I've done so far. So this is the landing page. Currently, I don't have social proof or any of those kind of things, so I'm keeping it simple, just a hero image and a button to get started. So a user can click generate podcast and it will take them straight into the app. I'm currently thinking through how people sign up, whether they sign up after they've created something or before they start the whole process. I'm currently thinking that through, but let me take you through what I've got so far. So a user can come in here and they can either generate a script from a prompt or they can paste from the web. So the idea of paste from the web, I got from my friend Satya actually. He often finds articles and posts and shares them with me. And sometimes I don't have time to read them. So I thought, what if you could take that bit of text and turn it into an audio so you can listen while you're working? And maybe you could turn it into a podcast or a series of episodes, a series of lessons. Generate a script is from a prompt. So I'm going to take you through this flow. So the prompt would be action over ideas. You can put in a sponsor tag. So say if the podcast or lesson was sponsored by somebody, that's the idea, but I'm going to leave that blank. I'm going to select 30 seconds, so it's going to be short. It can be formal, friendly. I'm going to select friendly. So you've got these different tones of speaking or ways of speaking, and you can have a call to action, but I'm going to leave that blank for this demo. And then you can generate the script. So it's generating. It takes few seconds, maybe up to a minute to generate. So there's the script. So now it's generated the script. The user can edit this if they want to, or use it as it is. For example, I could put at the end. The user can then select a voice. So you've got different voice options, different types. Maybe I will change the name of these, come up with something a bit more creative than just voice 1, voice 2. If you've got any suggestions there, appreciate any input. So I'm going to generate the audio. So it's generating, takes a few seconds. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's playing the audio from that script. Let's stop this and then move on to the next stage. I'm thinking here you could download the audio, but I'm planning on adding in a flow that takes you straight through to the next step, which is create the artwork. We've got an artwork generator, so you can name it. And you can say the podcast creator's name, not Lee Leach's, Lee Launches. Generate the artwork, and it's an AI generator, and it's generating artwork in a particular style, in a quite an abstract style that I've created that I'm liking, and I'm really liking the way these pieces of artwork turn out. As you'll see, they're amazing each time. So it's created the artwork. This is where I'm up to now. So now, what I want to currently do is build it so that the next step, it will turn the image and the audio into a rendered file, probably a movie file. So that's where I'm at currently. Obviously, the user could download the audio and the artwork separately, but I want it to turn it into a MP4 file or a movie file. So that's where I'm currently stuck on. I'm also stuck on how the upgrade works, as I said, whether I let users use the app and then give it a try, which I like that model, but the problem with AI is obviously it's going to use up a lot of my credits if I've got lots of users trying it for free. So I'm currently thinking through how that will work. I've gone back and forth through the name, but I'm settled on the name Launch Lessons. Let me know what you think of that. Previous names were Launchcast or LaunchPod AI was one idea. But I really like Launch Lessons, so planning on launching with that. So yeah, this is where I'm up to. Let me know what you think. If you've got any feedback, drop a comment if you're on YouTube, or DM me on Twitter or LinkedIn. Really appreciate your input. Cheers.